What I learned researching docks for retirement. I'm a high school teacher ready to retire. So I started researching docks for my retirement business and realized there's an entire engineering world hiding underneath them. Some docks survive storms for decades, others fail just in a few years, and most homeowners don't know why. So I did Hidden Dock Mistakes Cost Thousands video. I was honestly shocked by how many expensive mistakes happen because people buy the wrong dock for their lake conditions. Wind, water, depth, ice, boat wakes, soil, they all matter. I learned that every single lake is different. One of the biggest things I learned is this: you cannot recommend the same dock for every lake. A calm fishing lake is different from a large windy reservoir. A rocky shoreline behaves differently than soft mud. Boat traffic changes everything. So on the picture on the left is the calm, protected lake, sheltered from the wind, nothing but small waves, lower dock stress, ideal for floating docks. The water only changes plus or minus 3 inches. Yet on the large, windy reservoir, that could look like that every day. The wind could change plus or minus 1.5 feet. It's very exposed to wind, and the bigger the lake, the higher the waves are from the wind due to the fetch. You have to have different reinforcements for your docks, and you probably can want to have a combination of fixed docks and floating docks. But the bottom line is different lakes, different challenges, different dock solutions. You have to match your dock to your water conditions. Even water level fluctuations completely change which kind of dock works best. I could think of 4 reasons the water level would change: due to wind, boat wakes, seasonal, and if there's a reservoir, the Army Corps of Engineers may change the depth, letting water in out of the dam. So this shows how big the changes could be from each month. Even but that shows a whole year of transitions. Here's a fixed dock comparison. You have a weakened dock on the left and the reinforced dock on the right, or possibly just also a newer one. The weakened dock has taken quite a beating. You've got rusty bolts, you've got splintered wood, you've got probably rusty fixings, no cross breakings, lots of movement. And the reinforced, notice the cross beams that are shown on the front. Stainless steel hardware instead of regular hardware that will rust. So the weak dock becomes a safety risk over time, higher chance of failure and injury, yet the reinforced dock can handle the rough waters and the wind much better, and it's a peace of mind, stronger, safer, and built to last. I became fascinated by the engineering. The deeper I researched docks, the more fascinated I became. Wave energy, buoyancy, anchoring systems, ice forces, low distribution. I started to realize the dock is basically a structure constantly fighting nature. And honestly, that's what made this exciting for me. So, why am I sharing this? I'm still learning every day, but after spending months researching docks, talking with manufacturers, studying failures, and analyzing lake conditions, I realized homeowners need simpler explanations. Most people buying a dock are making a major investment, and many feel overwhelmed by conflicting information. And that's why I started this channel, Pennyville Docks. So if you like a dock inspection checklist, you could go to my website. If you like this content in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment at YouTube. And the two videos I'm working on is Best Dock for Flood Zones and 5 Things Future Lake Owners Get Wrong.